This is feedback for Fatima and WR1 second draft. For the most part, everything's looking better. Please delete this. Just leave the last 5 of your number. You don't need the first zeros. Be a little bit more creative and specific with your title, and the first letter of all the major words in the title should be capital. Make sure you tab over all the first paragraphs. This one looks good, but this one doesn't look like it's the same distance. Some words that are misspelled here, make sure you change those. Here in the body paragraph, first cause of cards is when people hold their phone. Some people, and this is what I added in here because I think this will make it more clear, some people hold their phone in order to text, and then give an example after that, right? And then you could say another reason why people hold their phone is to make conversations. Give an example after that. Say, people are driving and, they want to talk to somebody and they want to stay connected, so they, pick up their phone, and as soon as they pick up their phone, they get in an accident. Another reason why people holding their phone can cause accidents is when they're using GPS. They're looking down, for example, when they're looking down at the GPS and trying to see where they are, and they're not paying attention to the road, and then they hit somebody. So it needs to be clear when you lay those things out. Right now it's kind of okay, but it's not passing. Give a concluding sentence at the end saying that, people holding their phones for many different reasons can lead to accidents. Second body paragraph is way too short, and the same thing. You need more here. I think your idea is good. I think you should go into a little bit of a definition. Why do people drive too close? When do they drive too close? And how does this cause accidents? I'll give it, some people are driving slow on the road and another person will drive really close behind them to make them move. But then some people drive close behind because they just, that's just how they drive, right? They just drive too close. And if somebody gets an accident in front of them, they're going to really quickly get in an accident. So you need to say those type of things here. Not just people are feeling hungry and they want to go to the bathroom. What does that have to do with driving close? What does that have to do with car accidents? It's not clear. Make it more clear. I thought you had pretty good advice, and you rewrote this, so good. But make the changes, upload into week 5, and print it out and bring it on Thursday.